Want to add a proxy for the AdsPower browser? CherryProxy can help you do this. You can choose any type of proxy, but I will use SOCKS 5 proxy as an example. Open the CherryProxy client, click on the SOCKS 5 proxies option on the left, and then filter the IPs by the country/state/city you need on the right. Click Search to get a list of IP addresses for the target area. In the refreshed proxy list, select an IP address, right-click to forward it to an available port, and click on the port forward list at the bottom to find the forwarded IP address. Click the Copy button on the right. Now it's time to configure the browser. Open AdsPower, click the New Profile button on the right, and name the new window. Then click Proxy to configure the proxy and select the proxy type. We support HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxy protocols. Paste the IP information copied from CherryProxy, then select Check Proxy. When the displayed IP information is green, it means it is available. Click the OK button to save the window settings. Then click the Open button to launch the new window and continue with the next task.